You got two choices: money, status, or your life. Which one are you choosing? Oh, bro. Am I getting older and wiser? Because younger me, when these situations come from anime, I'm always choosing the opposite. Always risking my life. But you gotta be smarter than that. I don't know. I don't got the fire in me, bro. It's over with. See, then you get knocked out just by her lifting her hands. And what type of ability is it? Ah, that's break. That's break. Isn't it break and seal?